911.
Yes, good evening, sir. We are at the hospital and Valley here in Rosemead. Our neighbor is burning papers again, and she's trying to put the fire in our front porch.
Okay. Is that on Scott?
Scott Street.
Okay. Okay. She's lighting stuff on fire right now?
Yes. She has another paper burning there. And then she came here too, and then with the paper with fire, and then she put it on the front yard and the front porch here near our door.
Okay.
Multiple times, but she's never opened the door. She's wearing a white shirt and I think green pants, but it's hard to tell. Asian, and she's doing it again. She's holding a piece of paper. It looks like she's trying to go and burn the neighbor's bush again. She's burning their bush as we speak. Oh my gosh. Sorry, she threw the paper and yes, go ahead.
There you go.
Sheriff's Department search warrant! Come to the front door!
I don't see her.
Watch to the left, watch to the
I don't
left.
see her. I don't see her.
Sheriff's Department, come out to the front door!
Susan, come out with your hands up!
Alright, can you see to the right?
I can see the right's clear.
Okay, we're gonna head in, go to the right. Move the other,
Lethal up here.
Alright, go ahead, Lethal. Go ahead,
Coming
go.
up behind you. Going to the right.
Go on the right, and you can go in behind.
Sheriff's Department! Suzanne!
Hey,
Coming in.
Watch this door right here.
I got it, I got
We're
it.
inside!
I got it.
Susan, if you're in here, make yourself known!
Watch
Right
the
here.
floor.
Susan, right here.
Susan.
Susan, keep your hands.
Let's see your head. 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40.
Put it down, Susan.
Susan, put it down.
Put it down.
Back down. Wait. What she got?
Susan.
Put it down.
Got the meat cleaver. Put it down, Susan.
Put it down, Susan.
Susan.
Susan, put it down.
Put it down,
Susan, put it
Susan.
down. She's in the corner.
Susan.
Susan,
Drop
put
the
it down.
knife. I'm going in.
Wait, you got 40 in there?
Yeah, 40's in. All right, going in. Susan. Susan, if you're in here, make yourself known. Right here. Susan, right here. Susan, give me your hands. Susan, 40, 40.
40.
She's got a cleaver. Put it down. Put it down, Susan. She's got a cleaver now. Put it down. Another.
Wait. What you got?
She's got a meat cleaver. See, put it down. Put it down, Susan. Susan. Put it down. Put it down, Susan. Susan, put it down. Susan, put it down. She's in the corner. Susan, put it down. Yes, 998.
We're good.
Let me get the cleaver. Susan.
Hold on.
Susan, put your hands up.
Show us your hands so we can help you. Show us your hands, Susan.
Susan, the cleaver's right on the floor.
Susan. Show us your hands so we can help you. Susan, show us your hands.
Hey, I'm gonna move up. We gotta get the cleaver out.
right.
I gotta get the cleaver. Hold her.
I got it.
Cleaver's out.
All right, let's get her.
Susan, if you're in here, make yourself known. Right here. Susan, right here. Susan, give me your hands. Susan, 40.
40.
She's got a cleaver. Put it down. Put it down, Susan. She's got a cleaver now. Put it down. Another.
Wait. What you got?
She's got a meat cleaver. See, put it down. Put it down, Susan. Susan.